Sir, pwede po ba ako makarinig ng konting palakpakan? Dahil magsisimula na po ang ating Merienda Bonanza by Otoa! I recommend tumayo na po kayo because limitado lang po ang pagkain natin pero imbitado po ang lahat. Before we begin the Otoa Merienda Bonanza, please count down with me from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The Otoa Merienda Bonanza is now open! Region, the Davao region, make sure to connect with the Department of Tourism Region 11 Facebook page. Live po tayo ngayon sa Facebook page ng DOT11.
Tagdayan ako ka ng video ko.
Again, please be mindful of your belongings. Your belongings are your responsibility. We would also like to request everyone to please clean as you go. Be mindful of the waste that you create. Maraming salamat.